Good morning, Akash. Your interview date has been postponed, or what is the date they have told you?
Yes, sir. Previously, it was told on 18. Now it is postponed.
Now it is date is not known.
Sir, they told it will be on next week.
Next week. Very good. Excellent. That's good. This is the first time we are meeting, or second time we are meeting? First,
First, sir.
first time. Very good. Can you please tell me about yourself?
Yes. So, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I am Akash Kumar Prajapat from Bhilwara, Rajasthan. I am currently pursuing Masters in Construction Technology and Management from NIT Karnataka. I hold a Bachelor's in Civil Engineering from Jaipur Engineering College and Research Center. Throughout my academics, I actively participated in extracurricular activities like representing my college football team in various tournaments and leading my chess team at NIT. And I was also part of social club Soch during my bachelor's. I am a highly motivated and result-oriented individual with good communication and problem-solving skills.
Excellent. Good. You told nicely. Um, Tell about your native.
Yes, sir. I am from Bhilwara, Rajasthan, the textile city of India. The city has strong presence in the textile industry with several textile mills and factories in and around the city. The city is known for producing high quality cotton, silk, and woolen fabrics exported to various parts of the world.
Hmm,
Apart from textiles, the city is also known for mining and agricultural industries.
mining,
Yes, sir, the Hindustan Zinc factory is there, and
zinc.
also copper and iron
Oh,
mining are there.
one side that mining is going on, the other side textile mills are also there. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. That's nice. Now, what is your father?
Sir, my father is a businessman. He's into textile industry only.
Textile business?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Same business as that of the place. Good. What about your mother?
Sir, my mother is a housewife.
Good. How many siblings Akash has?
Sir, I have two siblings. My younger brother is a CA, and my elder brother is a CA, and my younger sister is pursuing bachelor's in data science.
Oh, good. So your brother, elder brother is now working for separate organization, or is he
Yes,
practicing
yes, sir, he is working for an organization.
organization? Good. Very good. Why did you choose civil engineering?
Sir, I was fascinated by like the infrastructure built around me. I thought of creating an impact by building infrastructure for the country.
But what is happening now? Or is infrastructure being built or not?
Infrastructure is being built, but my interest changed toward the human side of the banking sector, and I want to impact the people's life by improving their financial goals.
No, there is a lot of construction activities going on,
Yes, sir.
and lot of infrastructure projects going on. But in spite of it, why is it that engineers are not paid adequately as compared to other industries?
Because in civil engineering, experience is like weighted more than the knowledge. So once they are experienced, then they are paid more. Initially, the civil engineering salaries are very less compared to other industries.
Yeah, not only that, also mm, the whatever knowledge you have studied, it can be learned by practice from
Yes,
people.
sir.
And
Yes.
those who are not qualified, maybe they are not diploma holders, they are not
Hmm.
civil engineering. In spite of it, they are capable of also doing portion of the work you are doing. Of course, the finer aspects only you people can do.
Hmm.
So maybe that is also one reason. The
Yes.
mason himself does all the work that is needed, excepting for getting the license and all that. for
Hmm.
the construction of the building and all. Maybe there is a reason, doesn't matter. Good. What is banking?
Sir, banking is umbrella term under which all the financial institutions come. And bank is a financial institution which accepts deposit and create lending and investment.
Good. Very good. Can you tell me about the para banking activities done by banks?
The para-banking activities are the activities along with the work of the bank. Like if a person comes to open a saving deposit, then he can be introduced to major mutual fund, insurance things, or wealth management activities.
Good. What is the source of income for the bank? How banks make profit?
So the main source of income is from like the loans from which they can mm, earn the interest, and also like credit card, selling insurance, selling mutual fund, and also consulting things and wealth management activities.
Good. Also, interest on government securities and when the banks make investment in shares of other companies,
Mhm.
they do get dividends.
Yes,
Good. Now there is a talk in the newspaper about one of the banks being made privatized, or it is already privatized, but government wants to sell the shares. What is the
yes,
name of that bank?
sir, it is IDBI Bank.
Good. Now, as it is, shares, major shares are held by whom in
Sir,
ID?
right now the major shares are held by government only. They are thinking to sell it.
No, no, not government. Government and LIC.
Hmm.
Major has gone equally 40, 45, something like that. It has gone to LIC and also the government.
Um,
Totally 98% is with them. They want to give out 60% plus of the of the shares to
I read
private
in the
private.
newspaper like in this budget they might think of
Yeah,
doing this privatization.
excellent. Good. That is right. Now, um, can you tell me what is the job role of a probationary officer of Federal Bank? And are you fitting into that?
So the main job role is like customer acquisition and doing banking activities, promoting the digital products of the bank, and handling retail operations like cash management, ATM maintenance, and relationship building with the existing and creating new customers, and also learning policies and market trends to uh, to make the overall development of an individual.
Good. You told nicely. Now, um, what do you know about Reserve Bank of India?
Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of country, and it has various functions like issuer of currency, bankers, bank to government, bankers bank, and regulates monetary policy, foreign exchange management, and also supervise is it is also the supervisor of the financial system.
Good, 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 good. Nice. Now, you know how inflation is being tackled in our country. What is the inflation level as on December?
So inflation is rise in price of goods and services over a period of time, and it is measured by CPI, Consumer Price Index in India, and current inflation rate is 5.69%.
Correct? Good, very good, very good. So, what is the um, scale that RBI has kept for inflation?
Sir, it is 4 plus minus 2%, and currently it is within the limits.
Excellent. Good. You are from Rajasthan.
Yes,
Who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan?
sir, he is Mr. Bhajanlal Sharma.
How many ministers have been taken in? Are you aware of that?
Like total that in the ministry,
Yeah, I am not
there were
sure. I have not.
22.
I have not read it. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Please also get to know who is your finance minister, who is your health minister, and all that. They may not ask, but still be ready. Who is your governor?
Governor is Kalraj Mishra.
Acha. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir, I'm fine with relocation.
Good. Now you have been in Karnataka for last 3 years or 2 years. What have
No,
you
sir,
learned? How much Kannada have you learned?
sir, I have not much learned yet because in the college, major people are from north side only, and even south people consider talking in English or they are also learning Hindi. So I didn't get much opportunity to learn from them.
So can you tell at least 5 or 6 words you have learned?
Sir, I learned the numbers like one for Vandu, two for Muru. I think.
No, no, no. Doesn't matter. That's right. So now, what do you know about the digital banking products being offered by Federal Bank?
Uh, Like Federal Bank offers Fed mobile app, which is a uh, mobile banking application for federal banking through which customers can open bank account and also access the banking activities. Next is Fed Book. It is passbook come account opening app through which users can maintain their passbook and see that. Next is FedNet. It is a uh, internet banking application of the federal bank. And also, sir, Lodza, UPO and MPUs are there. The UPI app and the POS device.
The concept fast tag.
Hmm.
Have you heard of this? What for it is used?
Yes, sir. It is used for like toll collection. The vehicles can seamlessly move and toll is collected.
Good. What is the technology used therein?
I don't know the technology.
Some radio, something. Fast tag uses which technology? I am not remembering it. Radio frequency identification technology.
Okay.
Because you are an engineer, you must know this. Though you are not an electronic engineer, this is something associated with that. Okay. Radio frequency identification technology. Okay. Good. Which bank are you having an account?
Sir, I have bank account in Bank of Baroda.
Sir, Bank of Baroda mobile app. What is the name of that?
And it is BOB Mobile.
Or BOB World, na? Something like that.
BOB World. It was updated
Yeah,
recently.
yeah, yeah. Good. Now, who is the MD and CEO of Bank of Baroda?
It is Debadat Chand.
Are you sure?
Hmm?
Are you sure about it? Bank of Baroda.
Yes, sir.
MD and CEO. Acha, correct, correct. It may be correct. Devdutt Chand. Correct.
Hmm.
I am confusing with Union Bank where it is money maker like.
Okay.
Good. Excellent. Can you name 4 union ministers with their cabinets?
Yes, sir. Thank you. External Affairs Minister is S. Shankar. Home Minister is Amit Shah. And the Education Minister is Dharmendra Pradhan. And also the Minister of Textiles is Piyush Goyal.
Who is agriculture minister? There has
I
been a
don't remember,
change.
sir.
There has been a change. Huh?
Yeah, sir. He was sent to the MP and
Yeah,
Manipur.
Narendra Singh Tomar. So please get to know the changes. They will
Okay.
be more keen about the changes only. You should know
Hmm.
that.
Okay, sir.
In which 5 states the elections were held recently?
So election was held in Rajasthan, MP, Chhattisgarh, and Telangana, and Mizoram.
Very good. Excellent. Now, um, you are meeting a professor of yours after 5, 6 years. You are working in Federal Bank,
Okay.
and there comes a professor of yours who is
Mhm.
not able to use mobile app and all properly. What will you do?
Sir, I will show him the application. I will show the demo of how can he use it. Also, I will make him understand. And if he is having some trouble in understanding, I will use some analogies related to teaching to make him understand in better way. And also, I will tell him the advantages he can get by using the application.
Federal Bank website, have you watched? What is it you liked in that?
I really like the ideology under which they work, like being the most admired. Since I know it is very hard to achieve, but they are continuously striving for it, and I really like that.
Good. Now, can you tell about the expansion of CARES,
Um,
CARES, core principles?
yes, sir. The C stands for commitment to excellence. A stands for agility. R stands for relationship oriented. E stands for ethics, and S stands for sustainability.
Can you talk on these points? What is
Yes,
commitment to excellence? What is agility? What is relation like that?
yeah. The commitment to excellence means like they are working consistently to excel in whatever their field they are doing. And next is agility. They are quickly changing their technology to keep them updated with the current market trends. Next is relationship orientation. They want to build a healthy relationship with their customers so that they can get most customers through word of mouth only. And the next is ethics. They prefer ethics much like among the employees, the rules and regulations should be kept priority. And next is sustainability. They are working on like building, making sustainable investment like into the future. The research can be used.
Expand CIBIL,
CIBIL stands for Credit Information Bureau of India Limited.
expand CTS,
CPS stands for Check Truncation System.
expand CBS.
CBS stands for Core Banking Solution.
Okay, expand IRDAI,
IRDAI stands for Information Insurance Regulatory Authority of India.
Development Authority of
Yes, development.
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Expand SEBI.
SEBI stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India.
What is PPF?
PPF stands for Public Provident Fund. It is a small savings scheme, and current
How much?
interest
How
rate
much
is
is the rate of interest?
7.1%.
Very good. Have you heard of Sukanya Samriddhi Deposit? What is it?
Yes, sir. It is also a small savings scheme, and the current interest rate is around 8.3%.
8.2. You must tell that it is a scheme meant for girl children. Okay, up to the age of 10.
Okay.
Good. You have been able to tell me most of the things very nicely. Now, do you have any questions to ask?
Regarding this interview,
No, no. See, as it is, you have answered most of the questions, but one or two you might not have answered correctly. You are doing it very well. So read. Only thing is
mhm.
current affairs. Tell me
Okay.
some 5 current affair news.
Like recently, the Tata Consumer acquired Capital Goods,
Hmm.
and also like the financial summit was held in Tamil Nadu and then in Gujarat.
Mm.
Then BRICS occupied like joined with five more countries,
Mm.
and the Lakshadweep and Maldives, the some dispute is going on in which Maldives asked the Indian army to withdraw their troops, and
Mm.
then US and UK did airstrikes in Red Sea area to counter the Hamas.
Good. Regarding Lakshadweep, Maldives, there is no dispute. Huh? Mal all these days, our people were going to Maldives,
Yes,
and Maldives was being encouraged for the tourism and all.
mm,
Now that Maldives people, the ministers have spoken ill of the prime minister,
yes,
and of course they have been dismissed.
mm,
The government is now thinking of developing our Lakshadweep Islands into a
mm.
tourism island so that people, instead of going to Maldives, they will go here.
So I read 2 3 days before that
Yeah,
Maldives president asked the Indian troops to withdraw
that is correct.
in like
That
March
point is
till
correct.
March.
That point is correct. This
Yes,
they have been asking for withdrawal earlier also. Now
mm,
they have told they should withdraw by March. They
March.
have entered into 20 agreements with China
Chennai.
recently.
Yes,
This is what the situation is. So you please get to know about it a little more also. Sometimes they may ask, you have done very well. I don't want to comment because sometimes my comment doesn't go well. Um, like yesterday, were you in my class at 9:15?
yes, sir.
Yeah, where we saw that girls video. No, that's what.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You are doing much better than the girls. Let us hope for the best. Thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt. Like,
Yeah,
sir, CAR, the capital adequacy ratio, is the amount the bank has to keep. Is it correct or no?
not keep.
Hmm,
It is not keeping. See the the business position of the bank.
hmm,
They will find out ratios, and it should have minimum 15.5% of the CRAR. You know, they say even in respect of our standard assets, where interest is being paid properly,
hmm,
installment is paid properly,
hmm,
bank should keep 0.25% of the total amount as a reserve. Then,
hmm,
in respect of staff housing loan, they should keep some percentage. Likewise, when it comes to NPA, they have
hmm,
to keep certain amount of percentage as, say, provisions. And
yes,
after doing all that, do they have sufficient capital to meet their liabilities? And that should be 15.45. If the risk is 100, they must
hmm,
have 15 something. 15, I think in this case they are having 15, but
15.5.
government wants them to hold 9%.
Yes, sir.
This
Sir, I
is
was
what
confused between SLR and this CAR.
SLR is statutory liquidity ratio to
Hmm,
be maintained by banks in the form of cash or
hmm,
gold or
hmm,
in the form of government securities, 18% of the net demand and time liabilities.
hmm,
Whereas CRR is 4.5% of NDTL to be maintained by banks as balance in their current account with Reserve Bank of India.
yes.
Thank you. Best wishes.